Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to teach you how you can add your Ethereum portfolio on the Coinmarketcap website. So you'll be able to see your Ethereum wallet, all of your assets in real time on the coinmarketcap.com app and website itself. So let's get right into it and show you how that is done. So go to the top right hand corner and click on portfolio here. Now, once you're here, you're going to get the option to just add transactions manually, but you don't want to do that, all right? You don't know when you bought or when you sold and all of that. So you could quickly link your portfolio here by connecting your wallet. Now, you won't need a signature at all, so there won't be any necessary signatures needed from your wallet or any of that, but you will need a wallet address. So get your wallet address, make sure that you paste it on here. So I'm going to paste my wallet address right here. And here you have the option for a portfolio avatar, but we're not going to do anything with that. Give yourself a portfolio name, whatever you want to count it as. And basically you're going to create the connection. Basically what this does is it syncs all of your assets on your Ethereum wallet. It shows you in real time how much money you made, how much money you lost, and all of that. So that's how pretty much you connect your Ethereum wallet to the coinmarketcap.com portfolio part of the website. If you found this video helpful, everybody, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all for the